The theme this year is the age of experience. And technologies like Bot Chef right behind me are ways that we're bringing this vision to life here in the kitchen. What makes Bot Chef so great is it's a collaborative experience. You actually work with Bot Chef to complete your tasks in the kitchen. It can do things like cut your peppers, help you cook dishes, stir your soup, and you can even teach it where you keep your condiments so it can get them for you and let you focus on other things inside the kitchen. So we talked about how Bot Chef can help you with doing things like cutting peppers, or as you're gonna see here, tofu. So anytime, of course, it's handling a sharp blade, safety is gonna be a concern. But Bot Chef is intelligent enough to know that if I were to get in the way, it would either slow down or stop cutting. With its enhanced connectivity and on-device AI, Bot Chef can even learn how to use existing appliances in your kitchen, like your coffee maker, making it even easier to be your partner in your home.
At Spyce, we set out to create a new style of restaurant. We wanted to bring amazing meals to people at a more affordable price point.
Each meal is made to order in 3 minutes or less, starting at $7.50.
When we were 4 MIT students, we couldn't really find a decent meal at an affordable price point.
As robotics-obsessed engineers, we set out to create a new, efficient way of cooking food.
From our humble starts in our fraternity basement, we developed a prototype that really sort of proved we could build something that can create delicious, high-quality meals.
Our woks cook by constantly tumbling your food, which provides a really nice and even sear. They're heated with induction, and we have temperature control to perfectly cook your meal every time.
When we had the robotics nailed down, we knew we needed some culinary excellence to really bring this restaurant concept to life.
I'd heard of Danielle, and I knew that he was one of the top chefs in the world, and I decided to try to guess his email address. A few weeks later, I got a response.
Receiving this note from Michael, I was curious. A robotic kitchen was something that puzzled me a little bit. I needed to come to Boston. I discovered that the robotic kitchen brings precision, consistency, taste, and also freshness to the preparation. To complete the team, Spyce needed an executive chef. And I found in Sam Benson his experience with me as executive sous chef at Café Boulu, also his experience in fast casual, was a very good fit.
Danielle and I, we're taking a very vegetable-focused menu, complex, delicious, and nutritious meals, being able to transfer it to the Spyce Robotic Kitchen.
Spyce was created to be affordable, tasty, and nutritious.
I really hope that our customers will leave feeling that they've gotten a delicious, exciting, and amazing meal at a really affordable price point.